Meshes and models. A model node represents a 3D model. Model node represents a 3D model that serves as a group node. Models are usually loaded from files using the XNA content pipeline. The actual data is stored in the model node. The complexity of a model can vary from a single mesh node to a complex hierarchical tree of mesh nodes, light nodes, and other thin nodes. Meshes. Meshes represents the geometry and materials of a 3D object that can be rendered. A mesh owns a collection of materials and is divided into submeshes. Each submesh describes a batch of primitives that use one material and can be rendered with a single draw call. A mesh node is used to position a mesh in a 3D scene. The mesh node defines its position and orientation. Multiple mesh nodes can reference the same mesh. Hence, it is possible to render the same mesh multiple times in a scene. Shaders. Shaders are an integral part of the material creation process. Material. Material is an asset that gives that gets layered on top of an object's final appearance on the screen. Materials use shaders to control the result. A mesh can have one or more materials. The material class material defines how a submesh should be rendered. Materials can be shared between different meshes. When a mesh node is created, a material instance is created for each material of the mesh. The material instance stores the effect parameters that are specific to a certain mesh instance. Here is the link for video demonstrations about mesh and models. You can copy it and check it.